Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gemini camera. First, familiarize yourself with the camera's physical layout, including the lens, buttons, and screen. Next, ensure you insert a fully charged battery and a compatible memory card, typically an SD card. Finally, power on your Gemini camera and follow the on-screen prompts for initial setup, such as setting the date and time. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth shooting experience. Now, let's dive into shooting modes. The Gemini camera offers several options, including automatic for simplicity, program for more control, and full manual for complete creative freedom. You'll want to adjust your ISO sensitivity, ranging from 100 to 6400, to suit different lighting. Also, set your white balance to ensure colors are true to life, whether you are indoors or outdoors. Experiment to find what works best. Achieving sharp focus and correct exposure is key. Use the Gemini's autofocus system, which often has multiple focus points, to lock onto your subject. For exposure, master aperture control, a wider aperture like f/2.8 creates a shallow depth of field, while a smaller one like f/16 keeps more in focus. Adjust shutter speed from 1/8,000th of a second to 30 seconds to manage motion and light effectively. Finally, explore the Gemini camera's advanced features. Many models include creative filters and special effects to add unique flair to your images directly in camera. After shooting, take time to review your photos and videos on the camera's display, deleting any unwanted shots to free up space. Remember, consistent practice is the best way to master your Gemini camera and elevate your photography to new heights. Keep shooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.